You may wish to have a go at this exercise yourself. I'm going to show you the solution, and you can see it is asking us to write 27 times 3 to the power 2 as a single power of 3. So let's move on to the next slide to see how we can answer this. Well, the first thing I need to inform you of is what this exercise is really doing is testing your understanding of this rule here, which is one of the rules of indices. It is saying if you have the same number, in this case x, raised to a power, and these numbers are multiplied together, then you know you can write this out as x because that has the same base as these two. And the power of x will be the indices here added up, as you can see in this position. I'll now move this rule to the top of the slide to give me space to do the solution. We know 3 times 3 is 3 to the 2. That equals 9. And 3 times 3 times 3 is 3 to the power 3, which is 27. Let's write out the question, which is 27 times 3 to the power 2. Now, if you look here, we have 27, and we know that is 3 to the 3. So I can write this as 3 to the 3. This, of course, will be multiplied by 3 to the 2, which will equal 3, and now I add up the indices 3 and the 2 to give me 3 to the power 5. So you can see that these indices here have been added up in this position to give us the 5 here, 3 to the 5. Now, we were allowed to do this because these numbers have the same base of 3. So, 27 times 3 to the 2 as a single power of 3 is 3 to the 5.